So, you want to learn how to play multiplayer with your friends on Cult of the Lamb PC, but your friends are too far away, and you can't find a straight answer on Google. Well, you've come to the right place. Just as a starter, you will need a controller, at least for the host, so I'm just gonna put that there already. I want to just jump right into it, cause yeah. Now, to begin, you could totally try to use Steam Remote Play for this, but I found it to be far too laggy to ever work for me, so I went straight back to finding something better, which I did. This is Parsec. You and your friend you want to play with will need to download and create an account on Parsec. This is similar to Steam Remote Play, and it'll allow your friend to connect to your computer and act as if they were with you in person. So be aware who you let control the mouse on your computer. Don't let it be like Ogama. They immediately grabbed it and tried to open everything I had, so... Once you both have Parsec set up, you will be able to find them in this little area where you can add a friend. How you're gonna do that is you're gonna get a username, and whatever that username was, you're gonna find it and you'll be able to accept it. It's pretty simple. Once that's done, you'll see in this little area your friend will pop up, and that's where you'll be able to join them. So that's kind of how this works. I think you both have to have the app open, I assume, but yeah. How it does work is when you have this, there will be a share option, or, you know, you'll have to join them, and once you join them, you'll have to give them the rights to, say, your keyboard and a mouse, so that they're able to, like, say they're this mouse, they can do that. That's how it works. I don't have someone to demonstrate that with, so sorry. You'll need to open Cult of the Lamb, only the host needs the game, so if you do have it, whatever, you'd probably be the one to do it, but it's both cool if you both have the game, you know, whatever. So you'll join into a game, and on the escape screen, you'll find a button. Now this is the important part. If it reads as add gamepad for co-op, that means you did not have the controller set in. So however you want to do that, get whatever controller you have. I got an Xbox controller, I connected it to my PC, and it just works fine. That's what you're gonna do. So once you have it, I only tested this for me being the host, so I'm not exactly sure if you can have the other person have it. I'm not sure. You could test it out if you guys want, but you're gonna want to plug your gamepad in. That's what it is. And then suddenly, it magically switches to add co-op player. When you have that, you'll see immediately you're able to do whichever one. So for instance, I would be the one with the controller. So I would be the goat or the lamb, whichever one. And your friend, who should be in your Parsec play already, will get to be this little guy. And next thing you know, you can summon them, and bam! Suddenly, we're able to do two different things. Isn't that neat? So, thank you for watching. I hope that this was able to help you. It sure was a struggle for me. And I wanted to help others, so that's like the main purpose of this. If you found it helpful, please leave a like. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, have fun playing.